home of the Red Bull, so you know I'm fly, yo. As far as snitches, man, I hate them like a typo. As far as groupies, big booties, it's my type, Joe, but no booty dudes, so boo, go get some lipo. I'm in my groove, my tunes is so right, bro. Trick, I'm the main event, you just a sideshow. All I wanna do is ball. Groupies, nah, I prefer to loot for a booty call. Flow hard, 100 proof, I kick it more to kung fu. Untouchable, these other dudes are pitiful and bugaboos. Get back, get down, get to the chopper. Shawty call me stunner, cause I shock 'em like block a body. Stop it, I be in my zone. Studios and UFOs, where I'm going fully Joe, my head crazy coolio. Rolling up a doobie, so they say I'm bad as Boosie. No, truth be told, all I wanna do is make your tissy roll. Listen, girl, do the pro, I bet I make your booty grow and leave that kitty shivering. Cause you know your pussy cold, nobody better. My style fresher than Zoot suits. You don't got to trust for your credits to hit that new school. These other poo scoots won't ball out if they went to shoe hoops. Better talk bills or get on my grill like a loose tooth. When I'm through, I don't know, probably when I'm 90. Drive it in my Maserati, zooted playing Nucci Wally Wally. So fly out of my body, call me Muhammad Gandhi. Wearing all black, picking my naps in front of cocky Nazis. Tracks I buried, goddamn that's scary. Like you went to see the doctor in this Conrad Murray, so they over with. Music stay loud cause I'm smoking it. Focusing right in lines with a smile, link a post of wit. Coming from Jupiter, but the flow so Pluto. Put your head in manure to make that something that you do know, not evil. The rhymes lethal like spike needles, tied to 5 beetles and torpedoed into a tiny pee-hole. Stop me, they can't cuss, much to their disgrace. They couldn't bear the pain if Yogi punched them in the face. Don't test, you speak mess and I'll break apart your flesh. Knock your lips to your pecs and make you say it with your chest. This game is a ball of yarn, homie, I sold it. My rap status cat fetish, man, I do my own shit. Stay dropping singles, you would think I'm in the strip club. Every line pack punch, I'm about to make my fist bust. Chicago Rilla, that's a stone cold killer like Steve Austin with a Mossberg. Go figure that it ain't no point to fight back. It's Chirac, don't try that, I would jump up on your internet and kill you with your iMac. You could call me Stewie, I'm crazy baby, but I'll take you out first before I let you lace me. I'm stupid hot with loot and not, so why you think the dude would stop? That's crazy that Nicki Minaj ordering some booty pops. Birds fly south, man, I'm staying in the gold. Got plugs in Duval in the MIA, yo, with Don Lee and GA. This real gang of LA, no stalemate, we got them on lock, Joe. Jailbait, get a money buddy, yeah, my swag so Justin Bieber. Look, I fucking do it big like I cuffed Aretha. Say I'm overconfident, I take it as a compliment. Cause girlie, I'm a freak, I eat the pussy with no condiments. Uh-oh, you rappers couldn't blow up in a bubble that ran into rubble. 80 daggers in my belt buckle, so you don't gotta ask me if I'm rapper of the year. Just Scottie Pippen look like Osama without a bid. Cause bringing these hot lyrics is really my only gimmick. I'm spitting this fire, my dentist is scared of shit and pissing. I'm straight from the go, I spit it straight off the dome. These bitches shaking their yes when I be singing my songs. Stir your panties on stage, granny draws and all. Stun a bow, get more plays than the snow gets salt. So what the fuck you thought? I burn the tracks like calories. Competition, bunch of babies, and I'm Casey Anthony. No, I'm not a rapper, I'm a company. Rolling up the drove, but the hoes getting bubbly. Young, black, and handsome, but the flow so ugly. Stunner beat, got the juice, so why you sipping Sunny D? Fuck with me, water down my lyrics just to make you overstand. So you don't gotta be a nerd to know the program. It's the DNA, you free to hate, then free to leave my freaking face. We don't play, clean your ass up like a CNA. I'm smoking ganja with the Dalai Lama and Barack Obama. You whack as rhymers, can't try to stop it, I'm a mighty comet. A Sagittarius, a fire sign, I might be violent. Dropped out, but to whip that ass, man, I'm highly on it. So please stay up on my face if your breath stank. Eat aqua fresh and crest and let it sit like wet paint. Life's a bitch, so I fuck her with no strings attached. Know I'm cocky, give a damn what you think of that.